The pin. One child leaves the room while the others hide the pin. When the child is back, they will search for the pin, being guided by music. The further away the child gets from the pin, the quieter the music gets, and the closer they are to the pin, the louder the music. More children can take part in this game and look for hidden objects together. The objects can include snacks or fruit, which can later be a reward for them. Music can be replaced by a bell or any instrument, for example, a harmonica. What is needed? A pin or fruit, a music player, a musical instrument, or a bell.